Right. So the Prime Minister is, remember, addressing rallies in Maharashtra, and after that he will be moving to Karnataka. But during his address in Maharashtra, the Prime Minister mocked infighting in INDI, and he was referring very clearly to the barb being exchanged between the Kerala Chief Minister and Rahul Gandhi. So the Prime Minister, in fact, pointing out how this infighting, in fact, is going to damage and prove to be harmful for the INDI bloc.
आप कांग्रेस का ये परिवार, आपको आश्चर्य होगा, आजादी के पहली बार स्थिति ऐसी बन रही है कि कांग्रेस का परिवार इस चुनाव में कांग्रेस को वोट नहीं देगा। खुद कांग्रेस को वोट नहीं देगा। ये हाल है इनका, क्योंकि जहां वो रहते हैं वहां कांग्रेस का उम्मीदवार ही नहीं है। अब ये ऐसी स्थिति कभी सोची है आपने कांग्रेस की कि जिस परिवार के भरोसे कांग्रेस चलती है वो परिवार खुद कांग्रेस को वोट नहीं दे पाएगा। साथियों, आप देखिएगा 4 जून के बाद इंडी गठबंधन आज जो 25% सीटों पर बिखरा है, लड़ाई अंदर अंदर लड़ रहा है, 4 जून के बाद वो 100% एक दूसरे के कपड़े फाड़ने वाले हैं, एक दूसरे के बाल नोचने वाले हैं।
Let's also listen to how the Congress party, in fact, is responding to what Revant Reddy said. Listen in.
मैं रेवंत रेड्डी साहब के, मुख्यमंत्री तेलंगाना के इस बयान का स्वागत करता हूँ। स्वागत के साथ समर्थन भी करता हूँ। भारत का संविधान स्पष्ट है। आपकी जो आस्था हो, जिस धर्म पे विश्वास हो, जिस कर्म पे विश्वास हो करिए, लेकिन दूसरे धर्म की भावनाएं हैं तो ऐसा बयान देने का अधिकार किसी को भी नहीं है। मैं उनसे पूरी तरह सहमत हूँ।
सनातन के ऊपर जो टिप्पणी डीएम के लीडर कर रहे हैं, उनका अपना दृष्टिकोण है। कांग्रेस का दृष्टिकोण ये नहीं है। हम सबका सम्मान करते हैं। जो देश राष्ट्रपिता हैं और जिनके संघर्षों के कारण देश आज़ाद हुआ और कांग्रेस को जिन्होंने चलाया है, उनकी जो विचारधारा है सर्वत्र विदित है। हम जानते हैं, हम सबका सभी धर्मों का सम्मान करते हैं।
Where we have more political reactions coming in. As far as the BRS is concerned, BRS is advising the Chief Minister of Telangana to refrain from making such statements. Listen in.
We might not agree with Udayani's comments. The matter is sub judice. Revant Reddy should have refrained himself because his Supremo Rahul Gandhi himself didn't comment anything on this. But Revant was very enthusiastic in condemning and denouncing and demanding punishment for Uday Stalin, because we believe he is cozying up to BJP and he is towing the line of his self-proclaimed Bade Bhaiya Narendra Modi.
Somit is joining us with more details. Somit, interesting reactions coming in. BRS says that Revant Reddy was enthusiastic to respond on this question. He has been asked, or rather advised by BRS, to maintain silence and refrain because BRS says your own leader, your own high command is not responding. And BJP believes this is a strategy, that the high command was silent, but now that Tamil Nadu election is over, Revant Reddy is talking about it.
Well, we are hearing different reactions from different political parties, and even even DMK has stated that we are maintaining a very good relationship with Mr. Rahul Gandhi, and there is there is no problem in the alliance, is what DMK is saying. At the same time, BJP is attacking the Congress, saying that this is a strategy being adopted by the Congress party. At the same time, here BRS party, the prime opposition in Telangana state, they are attacking the Congress, basically saying that you should be refraining. You should have been refrained from making any comment because the matter is sub judice. At the same time, Rahul Gandhi is silent on this matter, and Revanth Reddy is speaking, and he's making comments, is what BRS is saying. So after Revanth Reddy spoke exclusively to Navika, this controversy stirred, and basically several political parties are attacking Congress at the same time. But Congress leaders are supporting Revanth Reddy, saying that no political leader or no person have that right to insult any religion. It might be Islam, Christian, Jain, or even Hinduism. What the Congress leaders are saying.
Right. So, Amit, thank you for getting us the details. We're